Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. As usual, it's 4 p.m. and it's Market Ki Baatein time. So what do we have today? We have a very different question once again. And as people are joining in, hi Anish, welcome. Hi Suresh, welcome to Market Ki Baatein. Hi Narendra, welcome. Hello. Hello everyone, welcome to this session. So today I am having a question where all of us are involved, all of us, all the people who are coming down to this great place which is the market and trying to understand what exactly is happening. So my question today is, what has COVID impacted great about the stock market today? How has COVID impacted the stock market in India? So that's my question today. So, hi Mohazim, welcome. So, how has COVID impacted the stock market in India? What is your take on this? It's not a one-way dialogue like I always say. It's how we are going to interact and how we are going to find out what is the influencing portion of whether it will be our mindset or it will be the way the external environment is impacting our markets. Hello Rupesh, hello Prashant, welcome. So how has COVID impacted? What is your feel? What I personally feel, okay, let me give you my opinion. Hi Abhishek, welcome. What I feel is ever since COVID has come, people have realized that there is a lot of time available. And for people who are continuously working, they feel that kuch to karna hai, let's try and do something. And that has brought many people into the market. So you could call them the corona traders. They all want to see how they can make some alternative source of income. Everyone wants some additional money, and considering the way corona is impacting, I believe, are you not able to hear me? Is there some issue with the audio? Is there some issue with the audio? You're not able to hear me? Is it? Okay. I'm getting it fine, all right. Okay. Okay, great. No problem. So the way the COVID entire period of COVID began, people started realizing that yes, it is possible to do something because markets were the only place that were working. And that's how so many people have started now coming into the market, trying to understand. And I have done close to 50 webinars in this period. And in every webinar, we are getting tremendous attendance. Why? Because people realize that yes, it is necessary to make money. Why? Because the way the markets are shaping, the way the future job prospects, everything is undergoing a big shift. And that has impacted the way the entire market is structured, and the number of traders who are coming into the market is increasing at a very rapid pace. And the kind of people who are coming into the market are a mixture of people who were there in the market, they went away and they have come back, or there are a lot of new people who want to learn the ropes and they are trying to understand how is the market functioning, what are the areas available in the market, how can I start trading, how can I make 2 rupees more. So you are having a lot of people coming into the market, and what is that producing? It is producing a lot of liquidity, and it is also producing a lot of volatility. So can you hear me now? Can you hear it okay? What is your take? What do you feel? What are you feeling about the market? What are you feeling? What are you feeling how COVID has impacted the stock market in India? Do you have any opinion on this? I would like to hear from you guys also. You could type in onto the chat. Some of you would be new here. Some of you would have been there in the market and coming back now because market offers us a very alternative source of income. So that's how market has evolved. When stock market began, everyone were not taking it very seriously. But then when market started doing well, people realized that yes, it is possible to generate additional source of income. That's how stock market has been projected as, and yes, it does give us an alternative source of income. And looking at the way the entire job industry is changing, it gives us lot of opportunity. And well, you have, if you have your son or daughter or wife, anyone from your family also pitching in with their time, it gives us maximum leverage for our time. That's what stock market is. The time spent to the return possible is quite high, and that's why stock market is attracting a lot of people now, and the number continues to grow. Zerodha has reported the maximum number of account opening in the last 3 months, and that goes to say that the number of people who are now going to online trading is increasing. But then along with that, the COVID has also impacted a very, very important part. What does it impacted? It has impacted people in terms of the money, and it also has impacted people in terms of their thinking. And what is that thinking? That thinking that yes, I have time and I should utilize it well. There is also a very, very big urgency for people now to learn about the market, understand how the market functions, and that's what is bringing many people. That's what is bringing many people into our training programs or coming to us, listening to us, and trying to find out how can I make money. Some people come back, some people go away. Market is like a seashore. Many people come, many people go, but then there will always be a set of people who will stay back. How can you stay back? Yes, COVID did impact us. COVID changed the way we are thinking. COVID also impacted the stock market. It produces a lot of volume. On March 23rd, people thought that we are done with. But then what happened 4 months down the line? Market hits a new high. Market crosses 11,000. And all this is because there were a lot of activity happening and everyone participated. And as people participated, there was quite a bit of movement. And now who will go away? The one who feel that you will not be able to make money without learning something. We all did our graduation, post-graduation, and after that, who wants to learn? Nobody wants to learn. Everyone wants to do some activity and make money, but then those days are gone. If you want to come to the market and if you want to make money, then you got to learn the skill. You got to develop that skill. Everyone does not have some influential person in any organization. What you have with you is your skill set. And if you develop that skill of learning, that is what is the biggest takeaway of the COVID impacting the stock market. It has shown people that yes, there is a place called as stock market. In this stock market or financial market, it is possible to make money. And point number 3 is, it is possible to make money only if you are willing to learn. Yes, when it comes to the point of learning, there are many people who are willing to share their knowledge and show you the right way to go ahead. You can choose whom you want to associate with. It could be us, it could be someone else, it doesn't matter. But then if you go along a guided path, the chances of you to make money in this period improves, and you can improve that skill as you go along. Stock market is going to be existing till people are alive. That's what I believe in. So if you want to make money from the market, first of all, you got to learn something. And in this COVID period, it has given us a lot of time, which was not possible earlier. So my message to you will be that try and learn something about the market, learn some skill sets, develop some skill sets on approaching the market, And once you start doing that, you will be able to keep your mind under control. You will be able to keep your approach in a structured way, and that's how you will be able to have a proper grip on your approach. Many people, they enter the market very confidently, maybe because of their qualification, maybe because they have a gut feeling about their ability. But then when they come to the market is something completely different. Okay, it's something completely different. It will test you, it will poke your confidence. But then if you have a certain kind of structure, you will be able to take it within your grasp, and then you will be able to come out of it. Yes, you will be hurt. It's not possible for anyone to get out of the market without hurt. But then you will also know that what you should not do to get hurt. And that is only possible when you practice something again and again and again. And that's why it is very important that you are having a guided path. That's the best way to participate in the market, and that's what I truly believe in. And in this COVID period, I've learned many things. I've learned different ways of interaction, different ways of talking to my audience, different way of approaching the market, different ways of trading, reforming, understanding. So I continuously participate in various kinds of discussion, online, offline, read about many things, so that I am able to share whatever I know with my audience, and I am also able to help them go along a guided path. That's what I do, be it my training programs, be it my YouTube channel, be it my Insta feed. Everywhere I try and share what practice I believe in, and what kind of practice which I can share, so that you can take some clue from that. You need not do whatever I say, but then if it triggers in you some way of moving your life ahead, my job is done. All right. Thank you for being online today. It was great interacting with you, and I hope you will also share your thoughts on how COVID has impacted the stock market. If you have got anything else more to say on this particular point on this feed, otherwise you can go and take a look at the video at some other date as well. Also, I'll be sharing how the recent few days have happened and what is the impact of the overall market in my videos. I keep coming out with my videos on my YouTube channel. You can visit our YouTube channel and take a look at what is the kind of analysis which we do. Do follow us on the YouTube channel Chart Advice Profits for You, and you can also follow us on the Instagram feed, where we keep on posting new kind of innovative stuff about the market, general, all these things will be coming up. And next week I'll be starting a new pattern in Market Ki Baatein. So stay tuned and stay connected. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.